How to create a poll on Facebook. Keep in mind that you can create a poll only on the group posts or on the page polls, but you cannot do it in your personal polls. So the first thing you have to do is go to your desired group or page you want to create the poll. An example, I want to create the polling in Sena tutorial, and you want to tap on write something and scroll down until you find poll. Tap on it. Like here, you can custom the poll as you like. You can also add another option as much as you want. And at the bottom, there is two settings. The first one is let the other member or person to add options as they want if you turn it on. And the second setting, let other people to choose more than one option if you turn it on. I want to turn these two off. And after you set, you can tap done on your upper right. And type the question for people to answer with the poll. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.